Well, we've been told plenty of times, don't go out of the house, stay home. But some people need to have access to health care at all times. Now, with the help of technology, patients can have 24/7 access to health care providers, especially important in the middle of this COVID-19 pandemic. News Channel 9's Adrian Smith walks us through using one form of telehealth, from her home.
Good morning, Ms. Smith. This is Dr. Kubert at Monitor Me. Thank you for calling in.
Thanks, doctor. Telehealth services have been around for years, but now Loretto's expansion of its program is an absolute necessity during the COVID-19 pandemic.
The inability to go to their primary care physician, and we certainly do not want them in the hospital. So that was one of the drivers to implementing this very quickly.
The partnership is with Imagine MIC, short for Monitoring Intervention Center. The telehealth program allows any short-term rehab patients who've been discharged to have 24/7 virtual access to healthcare providers. In this box, patients are given a cell phone, tablet, 2 lead EKG patch, and pulse oximeter. With this equipment, vital signs, blood pressure, heart rate, and even oxygen levels are constantly monitored by medical professionals. But it's not just helping with physical health. It's helping those patients with anxiety and stress, too.
So if the medical monitoring station is tracking and trending the patient's vital signs and 2 lead EKG, and they find something that is in adversity than it was prior, they will call and they will do a medical intervention meeting over the phone to see what is going on.
No trouble breathing or cough?
No cough, no symptoms.
An 80-year-old at home has a lot of worries. And if we can take one thing away from that in this pandemic, which, you know, is new for a lot of us, that's really the benefit.
Helping patients recover from a distance, one call at a time. Adrian Smith, News Channel 9.
Loretto says its number of patients trying the new telehealth service continue to grow. Right now, nearly 100 patients are taking advantage of the program.